My name's Chris. I'm a librarian at Coquitlam Public Library. I was involved in helping to run a big event here at the library called the Science Expo. It's our second annual Science Expo this year, and we saw a lot of growth from our Science Expo last year. So last year we had a big success, we thought, with the event. This year we had even more kids participating, and quite a few more kids in the older age categories. So in those categories we saw some amazing science, but truly there were wonderful projects right down to the youngest kids who were involved in the Science Expo in our elementary school category. And you'll see a little bit of that, I think, in the footage captured at the Science Expo today.
Hi, my name is Angie. I'm from grade 5 and I'm from Central Elementary.
Hi, my name is Carolyn. I'm also from Central Elementary, also from grade 5.
Everybody, today we will be explaining and doing some fun explaining about
the 5 senses.
The reason why we picked the 5 senses to do our project on is because we thought that people took the 5 senses for granted in their daily lives way too often.
Did you know that the most common eye color in the world is brown? Also, your eye moves about 80 times a second.
When you hear a noise, you will hear that it involves sound waves that go down your ear and into your ear canal to your brain. Sound waves are known as air vibrations as well. Taste involves your tongue. Your tongue is split into different categories that explain bitter, sweet, sour, and salty.
Each sense has its own part of its brain, and they're connected by thousands of nerves.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope you enjoyed and learned something new about the 5 senses. Thank you.
I'm Stefan from Traditional Learning Academy, and my project is about my shoes untying. So a few weeks ago, some scientists from the UC Berkeley Mechanical Engineering found out how shoes untied. First, the impact of your step loosens the knot. Next, the swinging of your shoelaces unties it. I both want to test their theory and make my shoes stop untying. The first thing which I tried was tape. It was supposed to hold down the knot, but it was just hiding it, and the impact of the step loosened it, as the graph shows here. The control means the one with no modification, and the experimental one means the one with one of those 3 modifications. Second, I did magnets. When there's a lot of impact, it comes apart, and when there's a really hard impact, these come off, and extra weight makes more swinging. Last, I tried Velcro. It worked really well. It works so well that it's even hard to take on and off. And what I found out about it is that Velcro works a lot better than anything else, and that they were wrong. The impact is what really makes the difference.
My name is Hannah.
And my name is Samuel.
We are both from Self-Design. Our project is about acid rain.
At the beginning, as we see here, it forms by nitrogen oxide gas, so it equals like gas by cars, and sulfur dioxide gas, and gas by factories.
The trees, they're looking dead. It's because of the acid rain. The houses here they don't look nice to go and live, right? You would have to repair each time. That's what happens to acid rain with houses.
Here is a good place. So then, if you want to prevent acid rain, there's a way you could prevent it. Instead of using a gas-powered car, you could use an electric car, a SkyTrain, a bicycle, a scooter, and other ways, such as like an electric bus, and others.
I'm very glad you heard us, and thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Rian at Kilmer Elementary School, and my project is Girls Rule, Boys Drool, literally, and I did a dog IQ test for these 4 dogs, 2 girls and 2 boys. My dog Jeppy, that's Daisy, that's Ruxin, and that's Jimmy. They live in our complex. So I tested them with these 4 tests. So this is my graph of the progress, and the girls are the green. So this is a cup memory test, and the girls beat them by a lot, the boys by the lot. This is the treat reacher, and the boys and the girls tied. And this is the treat under the towel. and the girls beat them, but not by much. And for the blanket test, the boys beat the girls.
Hello, my name is Emily, and I'll be showing you my experiment. My experiment is about demonstrating macroscopic effects of quantum mechanics using polarized light. In my experiment, I want to show you some evidence of quantum mechanics. I will show you that classical mechanics don't work as well as quantum mechanics. You use vectors to describe the light in classical mechanics. Vectors is like going diagonal is the same thing as going horizontal and then vertical. In quantum mechanics, you treat the light as a photon instead of a wave. Since now we could change the polarity of our passing photons with the first polarizer in our setup, some of those photons could now pass the final polarizer and be detected by our camera. So Albert Einstein didn't like quantum mechanics because he thought everything in nature was exact, but it actually is random when it gets really, really small. Thank you.